This is your champion.
See, my reputation precedes me.
Got a good feeling about this area. Dropping in, hang on.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Wow, we have the new map. This is my first time playing this map.
Okay, good for you, man. Okay, I hope you enjoy.
He doesn't know.
Hurling a frag grenade. Frag out. Charging shields.
Casting a frag. First blood. Grenade. I'm getting hit over here. First blood. And not contact.
I got no ammo. Oh no. I think I'm lagging. Go down, go down.
All up here.
You good, you good, you good, you good. They are not chasing you, you good.
Recharging my shield. Attention. Evo harvesters are
How much left for your ult? Right?
82%.
Okay. I think you can res your friend, I mean Olive. He's resable.
enemy in my face. We should go here.
Res her! Do it!
Firing. Grenade incoming. Jumping.
Dun, 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 dun. Suckers. Hello, Apex. Welcome.
Placing a portal.
Oh, they're chasing you. You got this! they are thirsty. They want to kill someone. Doesn't matter. Ah, yeah. No problem. We got this. Hopefully, Wraith is gonna get us. Where is the? There's a craft on runoff. Maybe you can get it. Kinda far away. No, I can't because if I do it, it's gonna ping my dead box. Exactly.
Half the squads remain.
I think I'm gonna leave, man. Shh. Okay, we have a replicator there on the high ground. She's gonna bring us fast. Just do it. Just do it. I was lagging so bad when I was fighting. Just do it. Just do it. And then other team came to kill us. Yeah, good job, Octane. Jump, jump, jump. I think they're gone, man. Don't be scared. Do they know she's here? No, you could. They are. I think they are fighting.
No, they're yeah, after that call, they're gonna see me and kill me.
This guy is so scared, man. If I was Braid, I would res, run away, portal, fly, and res this guys. Like a real Lambo. Real Lambo.
Got my upgrade. Let's see where it takes me.
Man, I can't. This guy is just looting all around. I try to have passion, but nah. It's too much. She wasn't getting us. She wasn't getting our banners. Dang, he's just looting all around. I think this is a good scheme. What else do we have here? Nothing. Hello guys, how do you find the new season? Have you tried the new character? How did you find it? Hello, hello. Boring? Really? Why boring, man?
You've got this.
I mean,
Count, weapon, podium. Count, weapon.
I think she's fun.
Can't we do the blah 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 after? I'm ready now.
Let's see, let's see.
All that matters. Being the last one alive.
This
Roberto
is
Carlos.
There's only one
These guys, don't forget to like, stream, and subscribe.
one that flatters you.
Let's go.
Hostile over there.
Yes.
Here we go. Ready up.
Going to move that way. Yes.
As always, I could use someone to
Stop.
read the offer.
Stay. Natürlich.
He's quiet.
Heads up, a baddie landed by me.
Okay, this game is not lagging.
I'm down. No bueno.
What is the rush?
This time I'm down. First blood.
Frag out. They're shooting at me.
Bye bye. I'm glad they left. We can do this better, solo.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring's far. Pick up the pace. It's Vollgas. Frag out. 1 minute. Rings far. Gib Gummi. Shooting at me.
Wow.
45 seconds to get to the ring. It'll be a long run for you. Refueling my shields. Raising an knife brigade. We will not let off the gas. Ultimate's ready. Yes! This is how it's done.
Oh my god, she's flying!
Attention. The kill leader has been eliminated. Warning. Enemy lead in progress.
Hurling a frag grenade. Using knife brigade. Pick up the pace.
You can't catch me! the sound?
Would you like a kiss to make it better? Dream on.
The sound is so weird. I swear to God.
I've sharpened
The
my
other guy was
claws with that new
next to
upgrade.
me, running all around. I thought it was a different team. What's wrong?
Care package over there.
I'm really so happy that we got this. Kings Canyon map again. Playing this map is so crazy. I really like it.
I wonder what they target over
Let me see if there's something wrong with my audio settings. No, everything's fine. I don't know what's wrong. La, 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 la. Oh no, man, why it spent? King's Cane stopped. Finished. That sucks. I really enjoy King's Cane a lot. I really enjoy King's Cane a lot. Hello. Where is the music, man? Why there's no music? Finally. Alright, this guy's gonna play this character. Hopefully she's gonna play better. We're gonna play maybe
Wait, you were not invited to
you
the
select.
party.
What should we select, guys? You select.
Always open to a collab, mate. Better pull your weight though, eh?
This is your champion.
Oh yeah. Play GB, okay.
I'm Jumpmaster.
We will play next
All
game.
right, if you insist. This ain't too bad of a spot. And if we die, then
Hello,
we'll meet
hello.
over there. Here we go, mates. Let's get messy. Enemy taken down. Getting some damage. Give me a sec. Healing.
Man, she's fast. Yeah, resin now underground.
Enemy ship. I'm getting shot at. Round one. The beginning ring countdown. I'm down. Repeat, I am down. Got an opponent here.
I need heavy ammo. Fucked up. Putting up some answer. I'm the king of the world! Bloody dirtbags! Enemy down. Class. Tossing up some amped cover.
Come here, man, come here. Bro, I swear,
Sorry.
what's wrong with this audio, guys? I haven't heard this guy. What's wrong? I swear there's no sound. Can't be coincidence. The previous match was the same. Have you also faced with this problem? There's audio problem. Something's wrong. I don't hear anything. I don't understand. They did something with the game sound, really. So weird, man.
No dead weight. Give full gas.
The ring is one hell of a beast.
The guy was next to me, and there's no sound.
Come on, Root. I do see it's time to lift some spirits.
There's definitely something wrong with audio. I don't hear the game sound. The footsteps.
This is your champion.
Wow, this guy has already 4k damage? Holy moly.
I'm just give full gas. Now that should silence any doubts. Competitor landed near me. Ah, this will be fun.
Being shot at. How about a wee pick-me-up? A wee numpty right here.
Don't feel down. Burton, incoming grenade.
Busting out damage.
Down one.
Numpty right here.
Frage.
I'm down. Contact.
Shield is kaputt.
Hostile close.
Connections far. Get the pace. Jetzt Vollgas. Oxter out. Thermite out. 1 minute. Rings far. Keep going. Rally up here. Ring is far. I'm getting shot at. Competitor down.
No!
Did I tell you to die? Get off your knees.
Are they duo? No, they are 3. Oh, it's a bug.
Someone's out there.
Yes.
Yes!
What do you get for the girl who has everything? More.
Tara, te mando, mami. What up, guys? Hello, hello.
We are all legends, but I am Axel.
I think we haven't killed anybody with this character yet. Oh yes. No, we haven't. Dun, dun, dun.
Blame whoever you like. Me, your squad, your mother. I'm the jump
It's
master.
still you who lost.
Gebt Vollgas!
How do you find the new update, guys?
Attention.
Come on.
First blood.
First blood.
La, da, 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 da. I think the game audio changed, guys.
They won't stand a chance against you. Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
The audio in the game has changed. I don't hear about well like before. What has happened?
Ring is close, and we have a minute to reach it.
Titanfall. Oh, I was about to. I had to select.
Not far.
I had to play GB. I'm sorry.
Stay slow. Use this nitro gauge.
Shots fired at me. Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
We've got 30 seconds.
This
Don't
kaput.
want to get cooked. Target down.
Now that should silence any doubts.
What is this guy doing, Danny?
Taking a moment to heal.
What are you doing, Danny? What the heck?
New kill leader appointed.
Be aware of the new kill leader. Half the squads remain.
Danny was crazy.
Jump drive in position. Warning. Ring closing. I bet we'll find something good here.
Nah. What does my ult do? Let me check.
Now that should silence any doubts.
Charge.
I've locked in an upgrade. Delivering Arcstar.
Taking fire. I spy an enemy. I cracked an enemy shield.
All forward. I cracked an Scottish shield.
Good.
Sights on an enemy. Opponent wiped out.
Woohoo! Where?
Recharging shield.
You have to survive to get to
Gotcha,
the
buddy.
party. That gets up.
Reloading.
Do not stop. Use this nitro gauge.
There's another squad on us.
Recharging my shields.
I cracked an enemy shield.
Phoenix kit here.
Throwing an arc star. Throwing an arc star.
Down.
Taking fire.
No, man. Chill, buddy, chill. All good. I swear this game is fucked up with this new character. It's like the game was very slow and they needed to make it faster. Oh my god, dude.
Being on this side of the screen never gets less exciting.
Those ladies can pony hoof. It takes
I
hard
swear
power.
the game is not playable. We don't need more. We don't need more
Move on, mate.
fast characters. I don't know, man. Hello, hello.
Is your champion. Another day, another road.
who stepped up. Will any brave soul step up to them?
Backpack here. Gold.
Nobody came here?
Charge rifle here.
Child life here. Hello, how is the new update? I mean, I don't know. I die all the time.
Someone got first blood.
What do we have? We need to go with a light weapon. Maybe I will see.
Ring close in 1 minute.
We've got a new kill leader. I love this place. Ring's closing in 45. It's close. We can go now or kill here. Whatever. I'm pumped.
Attention, Evo harvesters are online.
Can I get a
Ring's
better
closing in 30. It ain't
weapon,
far. If you're
please?
scared, well, too
like
late.
R31 or Spitfire? Oh, you don't want to give me?
The ring is near, but it closes in 10. Alice.
Unbelievable.
Ring's moving and we're all outside. Let's not die this way. Cool?
La 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 la.
Put a nitro gate down. Speed up.
Let's attack here. Poor gits don't even know what's coming. Either a care package is coming in or the sky's just happy to see me.
I'll find here.
Care package there. Care package there.
Wicked! Got me an upgrade, mates. Must have leveled up.
A nitro gate. Gift full gas.
Ha! I'm upgraded and better than ever. Push there. Those fools won't know where to hit 'em.
Let's pull up over here. Forget it. Look at this. Firing! Enemy shield broken. Reloading. Enemy there.
I'm coming.
Move here. Jammers launching. Stop.
Nope.
Use this nitro gate.
Need a sec.
Getting shot at. Grenade. Look out. Throw that grenade.
Putting up some amp cover.
I did so much damage to them. Q and run, Q and run. What is 50 damage, man? What is 50 damage? Unlucky. The guy with the wingman was good. If my teammates were shooting at the same time as me, I wouldn't die, but I think they were just healing. How do you guys find the new update? Have you tried Apex Legends? New update? What I think is that they have changed the audio settings. I don't hear well like before. Really? Announcer, ping, legend dialogue. Let's lower them everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I am afraid. I'm really
You want to
afraid.
win? Come with me.
Nothing
You want
scares me.
second place? Choose another team.
Bullet shot while sliding comes Drake? Oh, I couldn't read that. I want to try this character's old abilities and see really how it works.
This is your champion.
I wish all of you could fight tomorrow too, but you'll be dead.
You will be dead. Hello, hello. I don't like two shotguns. Ow! Stop it, stop it. Why is he not getting low? How much I hit this guy? Felt like her damage was going, her health was going up instead of going down. Ay, ay, ay. They are ignoring the others and just pushing me. That sucks. Hello? Man, this game sucks. The audio sucks. Everything sucks. What just they have done to this game?
Even if it costs
I have no idea where the sound comes from. Like low footsteps.
Yeah, there's no sound in this game.
And impeccable footwork.
This game cooked.
Where I don't hear the footsteps. I thought it was my headsets. But this never happened before. I mean, everybody blames the game audio. I never faced this problem.
This
But
is your champion.
after this update, I swear the guy comes from behind. I hear no sound.
Yeah, I also noticed that sometimes I have no sound, they just behind me.
Mhm.
Didn't know. Then I died. Let's go.
Exactly, man. Only one team.
Oh, yeah, no. Ah, no, one team, yeah. Only Loba. One team over there, or at least 2 people. I'm lagging. You're pushing.
No, they're all here.
Break like that. What? One. Oh, she survived.
They have lifeline.
Yeah.
New meta.
Your team, no?
I don't know. No, I don't think so.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm maybe. Get some heals. A little bit.
Wanna get this?
Oh, Loba. Oh, another team, yeah. Yeah, up here.
They come to you.
No sounds, bro.
She's going.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not over there yet. No, that's...
Where are you?
I got no more shield cells.
You fucked up.
Bro is... I Oh! I'm dead.
Why did you go, guys? What is this game, man? What is this game, buddy? What is this game, please? What is this game, buddy? What just happened to this game? I'm not sure if I have to repair the game. The sound is fucked up. I swear the game sound is so bad. I feel like they changed something. I don't know, dude. Where's the main volume? Sound effect is here, but the main volume? Where is that? Missing. Oh, it's here. I don't know what's wrong with the game. I don't know. Hey girl, la 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 la. La 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 la. In my life.
Did you know that humans are the only animal that can blush?
What do you get for the girl who
Hello,
has
hello.
everything? More.
Even if it costs the last of my flesh, I will come in first.
This is your champion.
Life is meant to die. Accept your fates.
Guys, what just happened to Apex Legends? We have to call it something else, not Apex
I like this
Legends.
spot. Natürlich. Nein.
Ah, this is German.
What, did I distract you? That's never happened before.
Now that should silence any doubts.
This is the first character in German, I guess.
So slow. Use this nitrogate.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown.
Let's try Spitfire.
My ultimate's prime. Press the attack here.
Available.
How clever. I'll go too.
We're not the first through there.
Jump drive in position.
Check your bounce. Machine told me where to find enemies. I spelled them first, though. We're downwind.
Hurling a frag grenade.
Grenade out. Taking fire.
Where?
Enemy that way.
Warning. Ring closing.
Ouch.
Yes. Half of the bag.
This is how it started out.
I'm sorry.
Getting a fresh angle.
I have eyes on the enemy.
Yes. A nitrogate. Gibt Vollgas.
Go!
Do not stop. Moving here. Look here.
I think we should let them leave, man. Let's not
Prey
be.
tag. Take him down. I wounded the prey.
Hit an enemy.
Hit him once. Nice.
Challenge me.
Nice.
Via sample here.
Right behind you. Moving to Echo for a better angle.
Hit an enemy.
That's another
Cody
squad
challenge
shooting at us.
me.
Hope they suck at it. Shattered the prey's shield. Getting shot at.
No touch. Silence. Back out.
Oh my god, don't die. Loba, loba.
Hope they suck at it.
Loba.
Echo's picked a sweet angle. Moving.
Shield core here. Level 2.
I owe you one, beautiful.
Do not stop. Use his sniper brigade. Delivering arc star.
Just try and hide with that shiny light on you. Prey's been hit.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Tossing thermite. Moving to Echo for a better angle. Another squad's attacking. Echo's picked a sweet angle. She's moving.
Thermite out.
Deploying evac tower.
Thermite out. Hurling a fire grenade.
She died. What's wrong here? What's going on here?
New angle on this. Launching to a new angle.
That's weird.
This is how it's done.
Loba, Loba, what are you doing?
Jump drive in position. Jump drive in.
Am I using this Q wrong? Are they chasing you? I'm use this.
Getting a fresh angle.
Let's pull up over here.
Thanks, beautiful.
Anything for the win. Let's attack there and meet out some distance. Sniper brigade. Pick up the pace.
Echo and I'll tag along.
Let's make them jump.
Someone gave that
Delivering
prey
arc
level
star.
2 shields. Whole pack is alive. For now.
Getting shot.
Tossing thermite.
What is this idiot doing?
The bag. Current angle sucks. Switching it up. Throwing an arc star. Shatter the prey's shield. Watch out, enemy there.
Hello, Alex.
Ein Nitrogate. Gib Vollgas.
Care package.
Where are they?
Attack there. Care package over there. Sending thermite
Taking
grenade.
a new angle.
Thermite out. Hurling a frag grenade. Moving here.
Tagged him. Shattered the plane's shield.
The whole squad is out.
Bro, I'm so
Making
bad.
room for the real competition. Shield battery here.
I picked up the empty scent. Mark the mine. Got a mark there. Long shot away. Current angle sucks. Switching it up.
Going up.
Hey, beautifuls. I'm doing an evac tower. My ultimate is ready. They'll never see it coming.
My ultimate's ready to roll.
Thermite out.
So slow. Use this nitrogate. Shooting at me. Yes! This is how it's done!
Thank you.
That's on.
Oh no. GG's.
Unlucky.
We have our Apex champion.
No, man. I threw it. I went solo and I died. This lobby was so bad. They were so bad.
You're not safe there.
I am here to dominate. What are you here for?
I've seen the future. Now I just need to get there.
Introducing your champion.
Run fast, hit fast, win fast.
Hello, hello. Go, 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 guys.
We're built to win, but they can kill off.
La 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 la.
Backpack here. Level 2.
It's mine. Don't touch it. There's no escape.
Beginning ring countdown.
Optics here. Close range.
What are these people, man?
Reckon we should head here. Enemy rather close.
Natürlich.
I'm not thanking you.
Evo harvesters are now available.
Optics here. Close range.
In the heavy mag.
I need an extended heavy
Yeah,
mag.
this could get interesting.
Naturally.
Naturally.
No escape.
Naturally. 9.
Progress.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3. Getting a navigate. Gas geben.
Doing this wrong.
My ultimate's ready.
Let's bypass that spot.
Shall we head this way?
You won't escape.
Shield.
Someone's got a death wish. I cracked an instant shield.
Look at enemy shield.
Should silence any doubts.
Look at enemy shield. Look at enemy shield.
So slow. That's the last one in the squad. Sad. I wanted a challenge. Move there. Push them there. Here's a nitro gauge. Pick up the pace. Shield battery here. Stick. Shield battery here. Shield battery here.
Go, let's go, let's go.
Care package there. A short run for me. Shield battery here.
Can't escape.
Press the attack here.
Got some extra supplies here. Load up.
Bro, I swear this game's audio sucks.
My ultimate's ready to roll. for the real combat. Crash an opponent's shield.
We good?
I broke an enemy shield.
Sending thermite grenade.
Grenade!
Others have been here. They're shooting at me. Raising a nitro gauge. We will not let off the gas. Flatten that squad. The flyers will be happy. A nitro gauge. Give full gas.
So?
Let's attack there and meet out some kills on nitro gauge. Pick up the pace. Field. Delivering after. Unit is kaputt. Strike here.
Grenade flung.
Ultimate's ready. Are you? No escaping me. In the shadows.
Frag out.
Ah, we go.
So slow. Use this nitro gauge. Send my feedback tower.
Now that he picked me up.
Jävla Leroy.
Competitor in sight. Over there. Care package there.
You can't escape.
My ultimate's ready to roll.
Replicator being delivered.
Oxstar out. Down.
No way, they were all there. Three of them. Three of them were there, man. There were three of them, and I was reloading. Crazy.
Follow me.
So unlucky.
Escape's not an option.
Evo harvester here.
Warning. Ring movement in progress. Attention. Delivering care package.
There's no escape. Seal bin over here.
Why this guy is not even trying, man?
Yes. Can't escape.
What are you doing? Man, these guys are so bad. Exactly. Let's try this audio settings. I feel like. Hello, hello.
You must understand. Death is
When
the
we hit the
true
ground,
test.
we go. Alles auf Anschlag. Understand?
Understand.
Believe me, kid. I ain't man.
Hello, hello.
Introducing your champion.
La la la. Come on, guys, let's win.
Heading over there. Ugh, he has played out.
Let's special.
Okay.
Frag out. Bust out.
Not responsible. Down. But this time I'll watch that.
I still see everything. We should go here. Regroup in this area.
Enemy here.
Let's go to this area. I need light ammo.
I have only heavy ammo.
Independent variable.
I'm out of energy ammo.
Shield is kaputt. Sending thermite grenade.
Gas trap deployed.
Being shot at.
Another squad coming.
Throwing thermite.
Point for grenade.
Got you, buddy. Watch out. Last one. Last one on the left side. Bro, why there is no sound? What is this sound? I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything, dude.
Shield cell here.
Cheers, guys.
Watson was one.
Lagging. I don't know what's wrong with this game. I swear it sucks. I don't understand what's wrong. No.
No fucking way! Of course, because I wanted to save you. Of course, always.
Where's the sound? Where's the sound, man? Where is this fucking sound? There's no footsteps. I'll check on the internet. What's wrong with our...
All die eine Chit-Chat before a game. Mir reicht's.
Oh, Apex is testing bots in the game.
This is your champion.
I protect my people. Unless they put pineapple on pizza, in that case, they should run.
I'll dominate you, and you'll thank me. It's happened before.
Yeah. Okay, this is gonna be solo squad. De Andras.
Beginning ring countdown.
Putting down the respawn beacon. Frag out.
Attention. Evo harvesters are online.
What do you want from me, guys?
Hurling a frag grenade. Do not stop. Use this nitrogen. Enemy shield is kaputt. Care package over there. You see my wet dance?
I should have killed them before, man. So unlucky. Should I lower the resolution?
We're all here for the love of the game. At least I am.
Hello. So,
Mates and I are tipped off.
what's up?
We're ready for a bruising.
I am here to dominate. What are you here for?
Introducing your champion.
Come on, guys, jump. Are you sleeping? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
So toxic. Where are you going? What is this? You're so dead.
Here.
What is your name, my friend?
Actually, just pretend you're
My
me.
name?
Or Sheila.
My name is Apex Legend.
What are you doing?
Where are you like?
Where are you born, bro?
I was born in Kings Canyon.
What? Where is this?
Apex.
Broke their shields. Taking shots here.
I'm down.
I'm cover for you. Shield.
Enemy shield broke. Annihilating the
Thermite out.
Taking shots here.
Fight, my friend.
Throwing a thermite.
I'm destroying them, man.
Broke their shield.
Res, I'm watching Res.
Taking shots here. Enemy nearby. Go here. Rival right here.
Ready. Kickstarting this fight. Smash an opponent's shield.
I'm cover for you, mate. I'm cover's getting packed up. Hey, squad's wiped. If you were hiding, you can come out now.
Was this guy cheating?
I'll get stamped up.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Light ammo here.
Care package over there. Care package over there.
I'm cover for you, mates.
Come on, man. What is happening? Just run, buddy, run.
Okay, they're shooting.
GG's. This game is, I don't know, man. Has changed a lot.
It's very bad game.
Huh?
Death box here.
The bad game? It's a bad game, yes.
I do not submit. I dominate.
Hello, hello.
Time to put down some syndicate dogs.
King of that slime.
I suppose we can't settle this with a round of darts.
King of that slime, that's nice name.
Introducing your champion.
It's a bad way. Two teams.
Eyes up, Barnett.
Idiot.
Spawn bullets away. The game was good. Our foes felt the sting of my spawn bullet.
Behind you, Mantı. I swear my game is lagging.
Frag out.
Gotcha.
Done. Squash that last hit.
Optics here. Close. Optics here. Mid range.
Mid range. I think the game is lagging because my game resolution was high. It's better now.
Aces, my ultimate's good to go. Having a geese over there. Quick system up. Standard heavy mag here. Level 2.
Yes, that will do nicely.
Sweet as.
Care package being delivered.
Extended light mag here. Level 2.
I'm good. I'm looking for R99.
Opponent in sight. Far off. Okay, they're shooting at me. A nitro game.
Follow him, follow him, follow him.
Shot at. Shredded that foe. Close.
Oh, they are here, all of them. Sorry, my bad. Sorry, my bad. I throw it. I throw 10 grenades there. There was nobody on the right side. No man, I didn't like this character. I feel like the game is already so fast, and this character makes it even faster. I don't know. We don't need more fast characters. We have so many. Hello.
What are you here for?
Maybe we can select 2 ultimates instead Q.
Digging out the ground. Eye in the sky.
Let's try double ult.
All it takes is a single spark.
Introducing your champion.
What up, what up? Dang, so many teams. To fight with these
I
guys.
see a competitor over there. I'm going that way.
Need a thermite grenade.
I'm closing the door, blocking the door. You can't kill that guy. He's not going out. He's on top.
Round 1.
Now there are 2. So bad game, man. That was a bad push. That was a terrible push. That was a terrible push. I don't know. I might change the game. I don't know. I don't have fun playing Apex. Gonna try a few games, and maybe I will play story game, or I don't know. Get this today, like no, not willing to play games. I will see. I just don't like this update. The game audio is different. It's laggy. I don't know what has changed. I don't know what's wrong. Hello, hello. How do you guys find the game? New update. I think everybody is playing the game. The new update. Especially the audio is
This is your
fucked up. I wasn't able to hear enemies behind me. I checked everything. Everything was fine. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, I mean, there are already fast characters. Why do you put more fast characters? Make the game something else. I don't really care about the disc. Imagine they are pushing you all 3 at the same time with this fast thing, and boom, you're dead. Nah, this thing is not that big thing. I don't know.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Breaking through with the gate.
That's it. I mean, it makes Ape Octane useless now. I don't know. I really don't know what to say. Whether it's good, bad, broken, not broken, I don't know. They need to make the maps bigger to have fun with these characters.
Optics here. Close range.
Even bigger.
Evo harvesters are now available.
Dips.
We forgot to pick this.
We've got an Evo harvester here. Anyone?
Take it, please.
Backpack here. Level 2.
I had to lower my resolution in the game because the game was lagging. Yeah, I know. It's how I used to move. So
Danke.
Danke.
Just remember my generosity. My ultimate is ready to go. Just stay home.
What enemies? Oh wait, this guy didn't pick that thing, no? He did.
Push the attack there. Raising an nitro gauge. We will not let off the gas. Care package there. Care package there. A short run for me.
Let's go with 2 ultimates this time.
I need an extended light mag.
Thanks. You know I'll use it for good.
How much damage does it do?
Found well.
Deploy an enemy second drone that displaces the target on impact.
An opponent. They're far away.
What's coming in?
Natürlich.
I've spotted an enemy. They're far.
I didn't check.
Rival there. Way in the distance.
Yes.
There's an enemy by me.
What the heck is this?
How many? 2? 3?
No, it's one, at least. But it's kind of like.
Enemy there.
What the heck?
Enemy door. There.
This shit is a new bot or what?
Unit shield. Getting shot at. Starting some fun.
Oh, what? Play.
What a play! I wasted my ult.
Lay down the gate.
Yeah, this character players are playing solo.
Shield battery here.
Setting a gate.
We will not let off the gas.
Found extra supplies. Placing a gate.
Where is your ult, Targen?
Sending out fallback.
Activating a void nexus.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, let's do that again.
Ah, so slow. This is nitro gauge.
Here's enemy.
Oh,
Isn't it out?
shit!
Far.
It's like a go-kart. Yes, welcome to Go-Kart Legends. Be honest, I find this stupid, man. Very stupid.
Ah, so slow. This is nitro gauge. Let's steer that way.
Look, everywhere is the queue. Everywhere.
Forget. Follow me there. Don't make me drag you.
Rival over there.
I have double ult. I don't know if it's gonna be good. Double ult at the same time. See what's happening. There gotta be someone here. Another team here.
Can you point? The
I didn't see
direction?
anybody. But
Yeah,
I
but
think
weird
there's a...
shots.
Yeah, let's just go. Go here.
Let's steer that way. I've spotted a zip line. There. Put an ice grenade down. Speed up. Void nexus there. Quick way to
Use
reposition.
it.
About where our enemies are hiding. Check your map. I think we should go there.
Survey beacon over there.
I think if you go walking, we're gonna get faster there. We should test Mad Maggie with character maybe 4 times speed low. Yeah, exactly. Octane, this character and everything.
Do not stop. Okay, I'm getting shot at.
Oh! Pull me, pull me, pull me! Oh! Man, game so fast. He came so fast.
In progress.
Badam. To be honest, I swear I don't feel fun playing Apex anymore. I just don't like what I'm seeing, what I'm experiencing now.
Deploying respawn.
Got in the open, and they have a sniper character. They don't see you.
Let's go. Now that should silence any doubts. They're shooting at me.
Stop flying.
Round 3.
Kaptan.
Big up here. Our squadron stalled out. Take movement. Sending thermite grenade. Put an ice grenade down. Speed up.
They're far away.
They have Kraber.
Quick battery here. Be ready.
Thank you.
They're shooting at me. Knife brigade.
Fuck man, I don't like this game. I'm gonna uninstall this game. This is
the
not
fuck
Apex
did you guys not
Legends.
fight?
This is not Apex Legends, man. I don't know. I don't know what I'm playing, man. Where is the old Apex Legends? I'm not having fun, guys. I swear. I don't know what I'm playing. This is not real Apex Legends. This is something else. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Should we play Overwatch? At least Overwatch is still the same. Yeah, I think I'm gonna play. I just don't know, man. Like I'm playing something else. There is no skill, just abilities. Abilities. I'll be playing Jet Li. Whenever you finish, come. No worries. There you go. Let's go. Dang, Jet, you are so fast. What was the sound? Did I get something cool? Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da. Ba-da-da-da. Where is the mysterious guy with his glasses? Da-da-da. I think I'm gonna start playing one game. Like it's gonna take time for you.
Welcome to Paris.
Always climb, never fall. Positioning anchor. Let's shake things up. Call my shots and hit 'em all. That's feeling better.
Run, 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 run.
Phew, they're good. Guess I gotta be better. Setting a hold.
Gotcha. Ow, 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 ow.
I'll get him next time.
Let's go with Cassidy to make it more fair.
Someone needs to fill this saddle.
Eyes on the sky.
What up, Cassidy?
I feel like a new man.
Ouch. Man, this guy is crazy. Ouch. Man, stop it. He was good. He was next to me.
Eyes sharp this time. Death ain't on mine.
Choose your map.
Use your map. Yeah, this is fun.
Welcome to Hollywood.
We play something, right? Something too overpowered, maybe. Cassidy. So, I haven't played this game for a while, so let's see how it goes. Let me know if you guys play Overwatch or what games
Someone needs to
do you
fill
play.
this saddle. No. Oh, we're in the thick of it now. You sure are something special.
Hey,
No.
everybody have their boots on tight?
No.
Appreciate you.
No.
This should be fun.
Set up here.
No.
ازيك.
Five, four,
No.
3, 2,
I need a medic.
1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Oh, they're coming.
Much better. How you?
I'm lagging, man. Oh my god, run away.
Let me balance you out.
Maybe a different angle.
No problem. Oh shit! This guy is good.
Exactly what I expected.
Trying to play less aggressive. Disable this. So I can get less lag. Oh my god, they were all here. They were all here. What is that?
Objective lost. No, stop the pain. No.
No. No. My ultimate is charging.
Man, that was funny. I'm throwing by the way. I'm throwing by the way.
My ultimate is almost ready.
I'm throwing.
Helping you out.
Is that enemy ult?
My ultimate is ready. Saddle up.
Man, my hands are so... Wow, I'm dead already?
Time for the reckoning!
My hands are very slow. My hands are very slow. Video. Everything's on low.
This time.
Okay, it's time to ult.
This'll come in handy.
There's someone here.
Keep a lookout.
I'm going.
Dead eyes ready.
यही परम वास्तविकता है.
Man, this guy is so good.
I need a medic. Enemy here. My ultimate's ready. Easy. Look at the draw.
Okay, I'm gonna ult now.
Nano boost almost ready.
Oh my god! Oh shit! Where did you come from? Oh, he was above me.
This will cut the
My ultimate's ready.
Can you put me on high?
Nano boost administered.
Oh, it's not in a good place.
affirmative. Come in.
What's here?
What's a wonder you are?
Oğlum.
How you wouldn't know? You astound me. No.
Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
They got us outnumbered. Keep that in mind.
I can't ult, man.
60 seconds.
I just can't ult.
Enemy turret here.
Deploying rock unit. Arriva la punizione!
You missed.
30 seconds.
Ow, 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 ow.
Death ain't on my doorstep.
Hopefully I'm gonna ult now.
Wars and Crusaders! The fight has just begun!
I'm ulting.
Play of the game.
Look at this guy is cooking. I'll be back. No. Straight. La 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 da da.
Welcome to Valorant.
Someone needs to fill this saddle.
no, I missed a lot.
They still have no.
Taken the lead.
Come on, man.
Not time to fold them yet.
Vote for your map.
It's like in the new map, Antarctic Peninsula.
Arriving at Antarctic Peninsula.
Like the small guy. We will see. This game is nice looking. Happy to hear that. Yeah, I think it's a good game. Less complicated than Apex.
Always climb, never fall.
You look like a talented bunch.
Nah,
This should be quick.
nah.
No.
All night for this mission. Well, maybe I gained a little too.
Up and at 'em.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I forgot about Jet Li, man.
Capture the objective.
There better be no pain involved.
Get in a hole.
Enemy turret here. Keep your chin up. Looks ready. Lashing down my back. Center incoming. Yeah, that'll hold. Enemy turret here. Objectives in my court.
Help me, man! Help me!
Okay, running it back.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Oh, oh, oh.
No.
All right, trailblazers. My ultimate is ready.
Over there!
Okay. Eyes on the sky.
What is that? Nice.
Nah. Hey, let me balance you out. Nah. 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 Of course.
Uh-oh.
Enemy turret here. Fucking satellite sector. Looking good.
Get them off the objective.
That's GG.
Best round lost.
Tracker in place.
Score 0-1.
Well, their tank is doing better, I guess. Their healer are also doing better.
You remind me of the rovers back home. They also change their forms depending on the task.
Us to his damage is way better.
Ignorance is truly boundless.
Yeah.
Their DPs are so bad, man. Yeah, healer.
5,
Killed
4,
one.
3, 2, 1. Round 2.
Yeah, they heal.
Capture the objective.
Nah.
Thank you.
Nah.
Time.
Nah.
Yes.
Alright, bet.
No.
Gotcha.
The objective is now.
We will take this area together.
That's feeling good.
Destroy that turret. I thank you. No. They are seizing our objective.
Bring out that turret.
Ah!
Careful, careful, careful.
I'm a killer.
Oh shit!
We're outnumbered. Fall on the objective.
I always have
It is
blue
ours.
trailblazers ready to fire. Nah. My ultimate is ready.
Fucking tank always grappling me like what's crank.
Eyes on the sky.
20 feet away.
Feeling hot, yeah? Enemy turret here. Firing top. That'll be handy. Nah. Wrapping 'em up.
Enemy turret ahead. Take our objective.
Start ult the ult tank again.
Glad you got my back.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. No!
That guy is AFK.
Setting out the welcome mat.
Just pick yourself up and keep going. Eyes on the sky!
Blocking satellite vector!
They've got numbers on us. Trailblazers ready to fire.
Damn.
Charge out! Enemy turret! We're at his range.
No way! My god, he was fully focused on me.
Let's shake things up. My shot. Got another chance. No way I'm wasting it.
I spot a turret.
Life protects.
Yeah, it's auto aim.
Yeah, I think our one guy was AFK. Our healer, no?
That girl has like auto aim. Sierra, whoever that is.
My shots
She locked onto everyone. Like that red right there? It like locks on, I guess. Huh.
Bak A'ya bak ne oldu takılıyor. Gero. Good job, tank. Caramba.
Arriving at Chateau Guia.
Tools in hand, brain in key. Show them what you can do. Baby's under attack. I'm overloading. Become someone your own size. Scrap.
Let's go!
A Lincoln never gives up.
Girls OP.
Yeah, you stuck me well. No?
Just as I thought.
You don't die in a rock? What the heck? What are you doing up there?
I'm overloading.
No!
Back at it. Beauty.
Taken the lead.
Nice, quantos vezes?
have one kill. I kill like 3 people.
Engineered that perfectly. Show them what you've got.
There was a meow.
Vote for a map.
How you like Stadium better? What happened?
Now entering Midtown.
Alright, let's try this old man.
You hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
I thought you liked Stadium better.
Nah, this is better. Less complicated, less chaotic, and faster.
Tools in hand, brain in key. Did anyone read the mission brief?
Go, go, go.
Let's go! I've got a few new inventions to try. Hear me, baby? Hold together. Keeps talking. I just finished another vampire manuscript. I'm supposed to read it, but, well, you know.
What? I love her stories. Send it to me.
5, 4,
Hear me, baby?
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
Turning up my
Defend objective
My turret's getting hit!
I need some help.
Hey, hear me, baby? Hold together.
Oh! Kinda.
Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Group up with me!
I'm already dead.
Let's assemble our might!
Oh, we shouldn't go there.
Join me!
Ow, 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 ow.
My precious word! That's your luck! No! No! I don't commit it charging! Oh no!
Where are our healers?
Maximum power!
There's like 5 of them right there.
There's an enemy here! I'm overloaded! Need healing! Why, hello! Turret in position!
minor perk unlocked.
I wasted my opportunity. This guy is playing with his tank.
A Lindholm never gives up. Hold down the fort. Now we're talking. My ultimate is ready. I'm ready to unleash the molten core.
ชีวิตปกป้องชีวิต
I tried my best.
payload.
Time to let off some steam! No! Hear me, baby?
Oh shit, the shield guy stopped putting his shield.
Interesting! My baby's destroyed! I'm overloading! Pick on someone your own hands! Hear me, baby? Hurricane the feather!
Let the Kitsune guide you.
Turret deployed! Time to let off some steam!
I saw that. Not bad.
Need healing!
Addressing your injuries.
Need healing! Hello! No! No! Interesting! Pick on someone your own size! Time to let off some steam!
Apologies. You were in my flight path.
I even keep you safe! Ironclad! They're hurting my turret! Crusaders! Some say it is hospitality!
Soothing your wounds.
No! Fire up, archer! My worm is greeting! No! My own!
I'm with you.
I'm overloading!
Let the Kitsune guide you. Do something.
Oh.
Deploying rock unit.
I'm ready to unleash the molten core.
Let's take off.
My worm is hear me, baby. Hold together. Get off your butt and stop the payload. No one can withstand me. My precious word.
I'm throwing.
A Lindholm never gives up. Time to let off some steam!
Nice.
Nerf this!
They all have like 20 kills already.
Over there!
All according to design. Turning up the heat. Turret in position.
On me.
Time to let off some steam! Just doing my job.
60 seconds.
Oh.
60 seconds remaining.
I'm ready to unleash the molten core. For the Crusaders! I've high hopes for you.
Do something!
Turret under fire!
30 seconds.
Stop the payload! Hold the defenses for a little longer!
Almost there! Keep up the eye out!
Maximum power! Turning up the heat!
Fish?
Let the Kitsune guide you!
Hello! Turret!
How we lose?
Victory.
Oh, we won? Oh, because we defended.
They had no time.
Play of the game.
That was funny, man. Hopefully it's gonna show how I killed
You
it.
see,
Anna.
none of us had over 10 kills except you. You see that? None of us. Only you had 10 kills.
Alright, I'm going to sleep gently.
No, no, no.
Yeah. You playing, buddy? Too late.
Okay. I work next 3 days. See you
Really?
soon. Yep.
I'm playing, no, working. In so much money, get rich. Bye-bye.
Take care.